In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up parental controls on Roblox. Now, the way it works is that both you and your son need to have Roblox accounts, and you need to make sure that when you make your Roblox account that you set your age to at least 21 or older. So to create a Roblox account completely from scratch, it is incredibly easy. Just open up any web browser such as Google, then go to the search bar. Then just look up Roblox create account over here and select on login to Roblox. And then from here, go ahead and select on this option that says create a new account. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and create an account. Now remember, you need two accounts. One account is going to be for you, the parent, and another for the child. So you can go ahead and put in your birthday. Make sure that you are over 21. Make sure you set your birthday as 21. And whenever you make your kid's account, make sure that you actually use their real age. So they're most likely going to be under the age of 18. So make sure that their birthday is accurate and make sure you set a username and a password, and the gender doesn't really matter. Okay, now let's start off with the parent account. So once you made your parent account, please go to the top right and select on this gear icon just like so, and then go ahead and press on settings. Once you're over here, it is going to give you a menu that looks like this. Then go to the left menu and select on account info. Now, since you're the parent, you need to verify that you actually are the age you are. So if you are over the age of 18, you need to verify that. And basically in this menu, it is going to give you an option to verify your ID. So please make sure to go ahead and do that. You will need some form of ID, whether that be a driver's license, a passport, etc. But don't worry, it is going to walk you through the entire process. You will need to scan a QR code using a mobile device as well. But basically, you need to go ahead and verify that you actually are over the age of 18 so that you're able to be a parent on Roblox. Okay, so once you went ahead and done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the left menu and scroll down until you see parental controls. And then you guys will see the option that says manage your child's Roblox experience. And now what I want you guys to do is I want you to log in to your child's Roblox account. All right, so here is the child Roblox account. So as you're able to tell, it's called Joseph Liam 96. And what you want to do from here is you want to go to the top right and select on the gear icon. Then go ahead and select on settings. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see parental controls. And then you should see this option that says add a parent. So on the child account, there is going to be this option that says add a parent. So go ahead and select on add parent. And then go ahead and put in the email that you use whenever you created your Roblox account. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the parent email really quickly. All right, then you just want to go ahead and select on send email just like so. Then it is going to say we sent an email. Go ahead and press on OK. Then open up your inbox. All right, then it is going to give you an email that looks like this. It is going to say your child, and then it is going to say would like to link their Roblox account. And what you want to do from here is you want to select on use existing account just like so. All right, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on agree. All right, and then from there, your child will now be under your control. You can go ahead and monitor their screen time. You can make sure that they're safe whenever they're playing Roblox. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.